A little more throttle. More. Is the battery dying?
I don't think so.
No.
Oh, there you go. That's good.
Good, you put it
Okay.
down.
Okay, now, how do you let it go forward to move?
Okay. If you, you gotta remember, you've gotta look at where the helicopter's pointed, okay? So, the helicopter, if you do that, go straight forward with this one, the helicopter will go the direction its nose is pointing, okay? If you, just a second, I'll give you that. If you go straight back, it'll back up. It'll go the way the tail's pointing. If you go that way, it spins clockwise. If you go that way, it spins the other way. Okay, so there you go. But to make it go, just to make it go straight, to make it go toward its nose, you just push this lever just like that. No, that's okay. Yeah, you're turning it.
Oh, I know now.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah. There you go. That's it.